Hey y'all, it's Chris Chiles with Forest Applications. This is a situation we run into all the time in disasters, especially. This tree fell, or it's jammed up against the stump. It's kind of hard to tell where the tension, where the compression is. So I'm going to do a pretty unique little cut called the tongue and groove. Show you how it's done. All right, I'm going to do that several times through here. When the machine comes to grab it, the fibers are broken between here, and it'll just snap off and not going to get pinched. That's it. Works really well.